got the hint. Today is a World Heart Day. Theme this year is Don't Miss a Beat. It's a way to touch people urgently towards everyday choices that helps add up years to their life. When you are in your late 30s and 40s, your heart is at a tipping point. Your metabolism slows down. The cumulative effect of diet and lifestyle over previous years becomes visible. Every 3 seconds, someone suffers a heart attack or a stroke. Yet, 80% of heart diseases are preventable. Now, what puts our heart at risk? High blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, smoking or tobacco, stress, and a sedentary lifestyle. But the good news is your daily choices can protect your heart. Here are 3 golden rules. 1. Move more. Walk, walk, and walk. Exercise almost every day or 5 days a week at least. Play, dance, join gym, do what you love most. At least around 30 to 45 minutes a day. If you're a very busy person, you can split this exercise routine into 2 bouts of 15 minutes each. Second golden rule, eat smart. Add more fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains in your daily eating. Avoid maida. Even in 5-star hotels, you say you need wheat and not maida preparations. Avoid junk food, even to your children. Cut down on sugar, salt, and fried foods. Number 3, third golden rule, stress yourself less. Sleep 7 to 8 hours almost every night. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Spend time with your loved ones. And remember, if you smoke, today, the World Heart Day is the best day to quit tobacco habit. Quit it today. Love your heart. Live longer. Live stronger. Take care. Bye.